So what is the fraction?
A fraction is like a fraction is a quantity that express a part of a whole.
What is the meaning? If there is some whole,
Yeah.
okay, you are considering a portion. So a part of the whole portion. So that is said to be a fraction.
Oh,
So
okay.
that means the circle is divided into three equal parts.
Yeah.
So this one portion will be the fraction. So out of three, it is divided into one. Likely. Okay, this is the concept. So it consists of numerator and denominator that we know.
Yeah.
And then we must understand what is the proper fraction. And then improper fraction, everything we must understand. So what is the proper fraction? It's a numerator.
A numerator is greater than denominator.
Yeah. Patterns. So what is the proper fraction? If the numerator is less than the
Denominator.
improper means the ulta.
Yeah.
Vice versa. Greater. Numerator will be greater than the
Denominator.
mixed fraction should be expressed like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So an integer, a proper fraction, it consists of two parts.
Okay.
An integer and the proper fraction. That is the mixed fraction.
Okay.
Okay. If you freeze the mixed fraction, it will become improper.
Yeah.
How can you freeze it? You have to
convert it to improper fraction. If
three times five.
If 4/2/3 is given, then
3 times 5 is 15.
Yeah, 3 times 5 is
15 plus 2 will be 17.
17.
17 over 5.
Yeah.
Since it is an improper fraction, we need to convert into mixed. Okay, so that it contains an integer and a proper fraction.
Okay.
Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
So what is 4 2 by 3?
4/2/3. 4 times 3 is it's 12. And 12 plus 2 will be 14.
Yeah.
So
like we have to convert, right?
Yeah.
So you know the like and unlike fractions. If all the denominators are same, it is like.
Yes.
But if different, it is unlike.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
That's
then equivalent fractions are given.
Equal. Okay.
So equivalent fractions means it should contains equal factors. That means you can reduce that into its equivalent form.
Okay.
Here, 1 by 3, if you multiply 3 and in numerator and denominator, it will become 3 by 9.
Yeah.
If you multiply 2 in this, it will be 6 by 18.
Yeah.
Likewise, it will be. Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
So these are all the equivalent.
Okay.
Okay, equal fractions or equivalent fractions.
Yeah.
Like this, it will be.
Yeah.
Okay, these are all the equivalent fractions. If you want to multiply with the number 2, then that should be multiplied on both the numerator and denominator.
Yeah.
If you want to divide by 5, then that should be divided by both numerator and denominator. That will be the equivalent fraction.
Oh, that's my equivalent fraction.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can do like this more. So if you want to multiply 2 here, then you can multiply 2.
Yes.
So 28, right? So 16 by 28 also an equivalent fraction of this. So likewise, you can continue.
Okay.
These are the equivalents.
Oh.
That means any fractions which can be reduced into this, that is the equivalent fractions.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then converting a mixed integer. Here also, we are dividing this, right? This 3 by 4 is the equivalent fraction. Okay. Dividing also an equivalent fraction.
Yeah.
Dividing the same number, both numerator and denominator.
Oh.
Got the point? Okay. Mixed into improper, you know.
Yeah.
Taught you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Converting improper into mixed. How it is?
By dividing.
Yeah, dividing. What is the procedure?
Quotient, remainder, and denominator.
Quotient, remainder over denominator.
Oh, yeah.
Quotient is like an integer.
Yeah.
Remainder over denominator will be the proper fraction. Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
So in the first exercise, you will be given converting unlike fractions into like fractions. So how can you convert like? Okay, and these are all unlike. What are unlike? All the denominators are not equal.
Yeah.
So they are unlike. The unlike fractions are not now converted into like fractions. So how you can convert? You have to find the
I take
LCM.
the LCM of 7, 5, and 3.
So keep in your mind, how can you convert unlike into like? First of all,
Take the
take an
LCM.
LCM of all the denominators which is given.
Okay.
So what are the denominators? 7, 5, and 3.
Yeah.
So what is an LCM?
LCM.
All these
all
three are prime numbers.
Yeah.
It won't divide by
Won't divide by
any prime factors.
Yeah.
Only it is divided by 1 and it. Right?
Yeah.
So multiply all. 7 times 5 and 5 times 3.
Yeah. So that will
So
be
what is that? 7 times 5 will be 35. 35 times 3 will be 105.
yeah.
Got it? So 105 is an LCM.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So what you need to do? You should divide 105 by this 7.
Okay.
What will be the answer? 105 by 7.
Divided by 7.
177. Remainder
3.
35. So
35.
5 sevens are 35.
15.
So 15.
Yeah.
So you need to multiply both numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 15.
Okay.
So you'll be getting 3 times 15 is 45. 7 times 15 is
105.
So the denominator will be 105 only. Then you have to consider the second fraction.
Yeah.
The second fraction, what is the denominator?
Denominator? It's 5.
5. So you need to divide 105 over 5. So 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 5 is 1.
Yeah.
So 21. You need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 21.
Oh, okay.
So 4 times 21 will be 84. 5 times 21 will be always 105.
Yeah.
Then consider the third fraction.
Okay.
What is the third fraction? 1 over 3.
1 over 3.
So 3 is the denominator. So divide 105 over 3.
Okay, so 3
1
times
3 is 3. 3 times 9.
9.
3 3s are 9. Remainder 1.
Yeah.
15. So 5 3s are 15. So 35. So you should multiply 35 both numerator and denominator.
Okay.
So you'll be getting 35 by 1 hour. So these you'll be getting same denominator, right? Different denominators is now made into same denominator. That is unlike to like.
Yeah.
Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
So take down everything you must understand. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to write in a notebook. Take
Yeah.
down everything. Write in a notebook.
Okay.
Okay, take it as a homework. Okay?
Yeah.
So how you have to write?
I have to write
Like this. Okay, first of all, you should know how to find the LCM of all the denominators.
Yeah.
And then keep each and every one fraction and then do write with that. So clear?
Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching.
Then you should do all the exercise of 5A.
Okay.
That is the homework for you. Next, I will teach you about reducing a fraction to its lowest form.
Okay.
Okay, how you can reduce the fraction? There you have divided, right? Sorry, multiplied, right? Here you have to divide.
Okay.
Find the HCF and then divide. Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
How can you convert unlike fractions into like fractions? You saw you had to find LCM of all the denominators.
Okay.
Here you need to find the fraction. You have to reduce the fraction into its lowest form. That is this.
Yeah.
Consider the fraction. And then you need to find the HCF of the denominator and the numerator. That is the first step.
Okay.
You should keep these two steps in your mind. These are all the hint. If you are asked to reduce the fraction into lowest form, you should keep this two step in your mind.
Okay.
First step is
find the HCF of its numerator and denominator.
What is the second step?
Divide each term of the fraction by HCF.
Each term of the fraction means, what is the each term? Divide both numerator and the denominator.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the second step. So, what is the HCF of 48 and 60? You need to do like this, 48 and 60.
Okay.
Okay. So divide it by the prime factor 2.
Yeah.
What is the answer?
By
24,
24,
30.
30.
Divide again.
12, 15.
12 and 15 will not go by 2, so divided by 3.
Hmm.
4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15.
Yeah.
Got the point?
Hmm.
So after that, it won't be reduced. Keep it like this.
Hmm.
Okay. So if it is like this, 2 2s are 4 and 5 won't be reduced.
Yeah.
Okay. Like a way, you can keep it.
Okay.
Okay. So do write all the fractions.
Okay.
What are the fractions now?
Um.
How many 2s are there?
One second. There are 4.
2 part 4.
Yeah.
How many 3s are there?
1.
How many 1?
2.
How many 5? 1 is 1.
Okay.
How many 5?
5. 2.
5 is
3.
only one time is 5, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
You have to
Okay.
consider this alone.
Okay. Oh yeah.
How many 4s are there?
4. There are 3.
4 4.
4.
Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
How many 3s are there? 1.
1.
How many 5s are there?
Uh. 1.
5.
5.
Okay, this is how you have to find an LCM.
Okay.
How can you find a HCF?
HCF.
Okay, for finding HCF, you have to write all the factors of 48. What are the factors?
8. 1.
You have to divide individually like this. Okay,
Okay.
so how can you divide? 2.
4. Yeah. 2.
24,
24.
2, 12,
Yeah.
2, 6, 2, 3, like that.
Yeah.
How can you divide the 16?
60.
30,
30.
15,
15.
likewise.
Yeah.
How many 2s here in for 48? How many 2s?
4. 2 power 4.
Into 3.
Yeah.
In 60, how many 2s?
2 power 2.
3 1s and 5.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
So what is HCF? In HCF, you must find the highest common factor. That means you must understood what are the common.
Okay.
Out of common factors, you need to write the least power. So what is the least power? 2 square.
2 square.
And then 3 is common.
Yeah.
But both are having power 1.
Yeah.
You can write once.
Okay.
5 is uncommon.
Yeah.
Leave the uncommon. Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
In HCF, you have to consider the least power of the common term. Only the least power of the common term.
Okay.
Okay? And then if the power is same, you can write once. And then if that is uncommon, then you have to leave. What is 2 power 2?
2 power 2. 2.
4.
4.
4 into 3 will be
4 times
12.
12.
So what is the HCF of this?
12.
12. Is it clear for you? So after finding the HCF, what you need to do? Divide numerator and denominator by the HCF. So
Okay.
divide numerator and denominator by 12. So 48 by 60 will be divided by 12. So divide 48 by 12. 4 12s are 48.
48.
Then 5 12s are 60. So 4 by 5 is the lowest form. Is it clear for you? Then find the HCF of 45 and 75. That is the second sum.
Yeah.
So how can you find? You have to divide like this.
Yeah.
Take it as a homework.
Okay.
Okay. So keep in your mind, this is very, very, very important.
Okay.
Okay. There are alternate methods also. You can do like this also. Without finding the HCF, you can do like this also. What are all easy for you, you can do.
Yeah, I'll go with the alternate method.
Alternate method. That's very easy, right?
Yeah.
You can find the factors like this. And then write all the factors. Then cut what are all left behind, you just write.
Okay.
Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
So that is the answer.
Okay.
So this is very easy for you.
Yes.
Can you write? So what is the you can divide with the prime factorization. Do prime factorization.
Okay.
For 45, what is the prime factorization? 5 times, right? 9. 3 times 3.
Yeah.
Right. 3 times 1. So this is the prime factorization.
Yeah.
So what is the prime factorization of 45?
45.
3 into 3 into 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the prime factorization of 75?
75. 5 times. Yeah.
Okay. You
Okay.
need to write like this. Okay.
Okay.
So 3 times 5 times 5.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Hmm.
So after that, 1 3 gets cancelled, 1 5 gets cancelled. So remaining will be the answer. 3 by 5 will be the answer.
Hmm.
Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
So this is very easy, no?
Hmm.
There. So keep it in mind all these things. You can compare fractions.
Yeah.
So for comparing fractions, you need to convert into, suppose if it is unlike fraction, you need to convert into like fraction by taking LCM.
Hmm.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Like this. You need to convert 8 into 12. How the 8 becomes 12?
Well,
Take an LCM.
hmm.
Okay? What is the LCM? This is since first see whether
Yeah.
it is like fraction or unlike fraction.
Okay.
Whether it is like or unlike.
It's unlike.
Unlike. Why it is unlike?
Because the numerator is greater than the numerator is smaller.
No, you didn't understand. Why it is
Um,
called unlike? What are unlike fractions?
unlike fractions, the denominator is different.
Yeah. The denominator is different, right?
Yeah.
So it is unlike.
Hmm.
Got it? So then, if the denominator is different, you need to make it to same.
Yeah.
That is by converting into like fractions. So what is the procedure? You need to do an LCM.
LCM. Yeah.
So you take an LCM like this.
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
So what is an LCM?
An LCM
2 into 2
Two
into
times-
2 into 3.
yeah.
Right?
Hmm.
What is that?
2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24.
Quantity. So that is an LCM.
Yeah.
Got the point?
Hmm.
So what you have to do after that, consider the first fraction.
Okay.
In the denominator, 8 is there. Divide 24 by 8.
Hmm.
That's 3.
Yeah.
Then multiply 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator.
Hmm.
So that will give you 9 by 24.
Hmm.
Then consider the second fraction. What is there in the denominator?
12.
12. You have to divide 24 over 12. So that will be 2. Multiply 2 in both the numerator and denominator, then that will be the
Answer.
equivalent fraction.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you look upon these two fractions, both are having same denominator.
Yeah.
Then 9 by 24 and 10 by 24, which one is greater?
9 over 24.
10 by 24.
Oh, yeah.
That is greater.
Yeah.
Is it clear or not?
Hmm.
How come you say 9 over 24? 10 over 24 is greater.
Yeah.
Is it clear or not?
Hmm.
First of all, you should convert
Hmm.
unlike into like. Then you need to convert into same. This is very important. Okay. For that, what is the procedure? First, do LCM.
The LCM and
After
second.
finding LCM, you need to do with this all procedures.
Yeah. And multiply the numbers
Yeah.
and then write the answers.
Yeah. So LCM is very important.
Hmm.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
And then find which one is smaller and which one is greater.
Okay.
So do all these examples. Okay.
Okay.
These are all given. Do all these examples and do exercise 5B.
Okay.
This is also very important. I'll teach you this addition and subtraction later. You should convert, you should finish 5A and 5B.
Hmm.
Make it fast.
Okay.
Bye-bye.